It's filming.
Oh, okay. Hey, so I got a package today, and I think if it's a package, I think it is. It's from Comic-Con. And my little one helped me unbox it last year, so I thought they would do it again. So as they promised, undescript place, and then what is in there, sweetie? Whoa! Yes!
Space!
Space! That's right, we have a space theme. So here's,
treasure.
you may open the treasure, sweetie.
There's no way to open it.
Oh, there is a secret. You did it! Yay! And so we got a whole bunch of stuff. So we have evidently Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan with John Krasinski has sponsored it. We got a cool 2018 space pin, which is cool. And then the other thing, which the little one is getting out. Is a guide to Comic-Con. So a lot of cool stuff in there, like the map of the actually convention center. And then, is there anything else cool in that? No.
We need fire.
We need fire? I don't know why we need fire.
We need to have fire so we can blast off to the moon and jump on the moon.
Yeah, I don't think it comes with rocket fuel, but it has all sorts of cool stuff. Yeah, offsite events, maps, things about badges. And then the coolest part is right here is I have a badge. And for those of you who know, this is my first creative professional badge. So I've done enough pro wrestling and movies and stuff like that that they actually bumped me up to creative professional. So thank you for everybody who watches these and watches my other work. And without that, I wouldn't be going to Comic-Con for free. So anyway, hope I see you guys at Comic-Con this year. See you later. Bye-bye.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sweetie. You did great.
What does a rocket do?
What does a rocket do?
Blast off the moon!
Yay!
Blast off to the moon.
Okay,
Yes.
bye.
Bye.